All right, so we're doing flares in the front and flares in the back. Got these Johnnies. What size do you think those are?
I think they're 50 and 75.
What's that in like American classification?
3.5?
Roughly 3.5 inches. 2.5 inches, 3.5 inches. These are nice though. They're ABS. And they got this nice little lip. The fiberglass flares I had before, like those were pretty garbage just cause like if you had to cut them like or drill them, it was like a pain. But I feel like these will go in there nicely. I'm gonna drill through the flare right in the center. Like, does that look center to you?
Oh, that's super dark. There we go.
Looks about center?
A little to the right.
Looks pretty good.
Yep.
If it's not straight, it's because we're using the Ryobi drill and not the Milwaukee. Yeah, so this is a good sized drill bit if you're gonna do rivets, but we're not gonna do rivets, we're gonna do rib nuts. Because these nuts. Aha. The camera at the same time without messing up the waist bar. Oh boy. Alright, so we'll put it up now. See if we can get it to line it up. Alright, cool. Alright, so we got the Astro 1442. This thing. This is a pretty heavy duty rib nut tool though.
60 or 80 bucks on Amazon?
This one can do like the fat ones though. The fat rib nuts. Alright. See here. So you want to make sure it's flat with the panel. Oh, I didn't do it.
Oh, you gotta go way further, dude.
You gotta adjust this? I've never used this one.
You're learning on my car?
Well, I've never used this rib nut tool.
Keep going further.
Like, I can't.
You gotta
spin this. You gotta spin this up?
Yeah, there you go. Now you're good.
Okay. I think it's aluminum. This one's an aluminum.
Don't go too far though, because you actually can over tighten it.
Yeah, and then you
This is super dark. See what I mean? Try to have the same leverage on each side. Did it not?
Alex sent me a photo. Oh, well, what game?
What? Yeah, it's 255/40 squared on 17 by 9 squared.
Boy.
Yeah.
You could be ready to go to the track.
That's the plan, right?
Oh, so that's why you need them flares in the rear.
Right. I'm over here giving you crap and then I'm just doing this too. What was that? Yeah. Is it not? What's happening? They're not coming out? You're out in Washington. There we go. Look at that, dude. One metal. Hey, you trying to widen any cars? I got a metal flare for you.
You know, I got a lot of this collect. I got some off of the E46 M3.
It's no, dude. These are genuine E36 non-M flares. You're gonna want these, dude.
Got it all cut. Now we're gonna tape it up and seal it.
What is you doing?
Spray it.
Why? Let me go. Why?
So it don't rust.
I thought that's what the seam sealer was for.
Yeah, but the front is like
No point.
no way because it's so thin.
Is that not gonna go everywhere else?
No.
Fender and stuff?
So they are aluminum, so just make sure you don't cross-thread them.
Oh man, this one's a little bit tighter because of the molding, but that fitment is so good. Like just surface tight.
Yeah, that's fine. And then you can come back and kind of snug them
Yeah,
up.
I'm a little bit, just cautious with how tight I go.
Yeah.
'Cause I don't want to dent in the plastic either. I want it to just sit
Yeah.
in both of the heads. So really bolting up a piece to my Fender, but I like it.
So that fitment turned out pretty good. Still got to put the trim piece in here, and then we might either glue that down or put another riv nut after we do the trim there. And then this part is the best part. Just lines up perfectly.